Evangelista. Evangelista. Oh my God. Attempt. Wow!
Hey! Cup 2023.
Okay, back to the ball game, Brother Mon. This kinsa kay mo daog anay, Brother Mon. Kaya trailing batong duwa.
Fourth game.
Yes.
Let's see
Pag shot.
who wants it more. And another good defense on by Talibon.
Torion on the run. Torion attempt. Connect. Nice shot from Mr. Torion. 66-67.
Pag-shot nakalusot.
Pag-shot. Pass to Mr. Autida. Nice pass to number 17. Attempt. Bang! Ginamit yung katawan.
Gidaro, Brother Adrian.
Pagobo dribbling the ball, Mr. Pagobo. This is the fourth and final quarter of this game. Governor's Cup Finals. Game 1, Senior Division, Tagbilaran versus Talibon. Wow, nice defense from Pagshot. Pagshot on the run. Pagshot, nice pass to Balabag. Balabag!
What a pass, brother. That's the real point guard. You find your big man and the easy 2 points.
Mo nag-iingon, Brother Mon, the essence of point guard. Number 99, Torion to Mr. Alvarez. Alvarez nakawala, block by Balabag. Number 17. 17 to Mr. Autida. Autida, nice beat, block. Second throw of Mr. number 28. Yes, a total of 2 points. Nakuha ni Mr. number 10. Number 10, Eronico. Nakuha ni Mr. number 99, Torion. Torion for 3. There you go! 73-69 in favor of Tagbilaran.
Torion breathes life into Talibon's comeback attempt. What a big 3 by Torion.
Nakuha ni Mr. number 17 to Pagshot. Pagshot dribbling the ball.
Pick and roll.
Pagshot dribbling.
Uy,
oh.
Nice defense.
Foul. Pares murag si Abuy ba?
Abuy, grabe. Ang energy.
Ang energy and hustle niya, and then kanang daway siya nga mo murag kuhaon niya ay mong kapungot. para ma-foul ka.
Step back, wala. Bad
It's
shot.
a block. Nakuha ni Mr. Balabag. Balabag to Mr. Pagshot number 1. Pagshot attempt. Easy layup.
What a pass by Balabag. Touchdown.
Eronico dribbling the ball, Mr. Eronico. Eronico looking for his teammates. Eronico to Mr.
Nice
99. Torion block again.
Block by Balabag.
Nakuha ni Mr. Balabag. Balabag to Pagshot. Pagshot again. Pagshot. Nice move. Wow. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Eronico. Eronico on the run. Eronico. Wala.
Wala.
Puno. There you go.
Grabe. Grabe gid si Buno, Brother Adrian. Di matarog yun. Bugahad 1v1. Corner. What a
Nice pass.
Again. What a pass by Pagshot.
2 points.
Pila naman ka-assist ni Pagshot.
Evangelista for 3.
Wala.
Not good. Puno nag-isa. Block by Mr. Balabag.
Block by Balabag.
And shout out sa atong 8.2K live viewers, mga igala. First throw, Mr. Puno, not good.
6 minutes and 45 seconds left.
Second throw, not good pa rin. Rebound from Puno. Puno, intercepted with Pagshot. Pagshot, nagmamalay Mr. Pagshot. Wow!
Bugahon!
79-71 in favor of Tagbilaran. Evangelista, pass to Mr. Puno. Puno to Mr. Eronico. To Torion. Torion for 3. In and out. Rebound from Mr. number 10. Easy shot, not good. Alvarez, kuna.
What a hustle na po, Brother Adrian.
Grabe. Backs out, rebound, shot.
Put back. Yes, sir.
For 3.
Oh!
3
Yes,
points.
sir!
3 points from Mr. Pagshot. 82-73. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. And 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter of this game. This game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol. And of course, Brother Moon, grabe ang defense sa matag team. Grabe ang opensa pod. Muna yung magdaog na lang. Taman mahurot ang time.
Good.
Evangelista number 12. Evangelista.
Step back.
Evangelista jump shot.
Wala.
Not good. Rebound. Oh! Grabe.
Malas si Evangelista karon,
Ang
Brother Adrian.
Tagbilaran, Brother Mon, dili kay si isa ray taas nila pero maayo mo box out si number 17.
Engito.
Yes.
He uses his body well. Dako pod murag si Bono ba?
Oh, dakong tao. Pero dili yun ingon nga taas siya.
Pero kamo mo gamit sa lawas.
Altida to Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot dribbling the ball, Mr. Pagshot. Pagshot looking for his teammates. Pagshot nakawala.
What a
Block.
block by Hela.
Ganda nun ha.
Ganda nun. Nice defensive play.
Ayos ang depensa.
6 seconds to shoot.
Inbound.
Inbound from Pagshot to number 17 to number 28. 28 for 3. Quick 3. Not good. Rebound.
Goes
Nakuha ni
sa
Mr.
rebound.
Balabag.
Nice rebound by
Oh my
Balabag.
God. Tungod sa depensa sa Talibon, Brother Mon, dili na nila makuha ang bola.
Mga good.
Oh. Wow, nice
Balabag,
pass.
spin.
Balabag. Oh! Foul.
Nanayog sub si Engito.
Foul committed by jersey number
Sakit daw ang tuhod ni Mr. Engito.
Hangat abot kayo, Brother Adrian. Rebound. Iya
Oh.
ng rebound.
Hela is warning for disqualification already, Brother Mon.
Foul.
done for Engito. Substitution. Perong for Hela. 5 minutes and 2 seconds.
Bonus free throw, Mr. Balabag, number 24 of Tagbilaran. I mean, 2 free throws. First throw, connect. Second throw of Mr. Balabag, number 24. Not good. Rebound from Mr. Eronico. 5 minutes
Last 5
remaining.
minutes. 10-point lead.
83-73 mga igala. 10-point lead Tagbilaran. Number 10, Eronico. Eronico, nice
What a
pass.
pass. What a
Wow,
pass.
galing nun. To Mr. Perong. 2 points.
Ni drive siya, no? And then he draws Balabag from the paint. And then paglukso ni Balabag, drop pass.
Libre sa
Drop
ubos.
And
Altida.
then the nice defense on Altida here.
Oh. 38 seconds remaining. 75-83 in favor of Tagbilaran City.
8-point lead. Maapsan ba ni Brother Adrian?
Depende. 4 minutes pa,
4
Brother
minutes,
Mon.
taas
And
pa.
taas pa ang duwa. Wow,
What a
nice dribble.
crossover.
Woy,
Sayang.
ganda na sana.
Lamin na
Sumabit
itong
pa.
crossover.
Nako ni Sir Puno. Puno to number 10. To Mr. Evangelista. Nako ni Mr. Eronico. Eronico to Mr. Herale. Herale. Nakawala sa depensa.
What a
Nice
pass!
pass. Kuner.
2 back-to-back drop passes by Talibon, Brother Adrian.
Og ila lang ma-maintain, Brother Mon. Possible makaapa sila. Nice ball rotation. Nice pass sa ilawom. And shot. Pag-shot.
Another
Dribbling the
pick and
ball.
roll.
Pag-shot.
Once the screen from Balabag. Very physical play here.
Pag-shot to number 16. Number 16, nice pick. Nice pass to Altida. Jump shot.
Yes!
JM Altida.
The captain with a clutch shot.
Nothing but net, Mr. Altida. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 85-77.
JM, the captain, Altida of Tagbilaran City.
Mr. Bono dribbling. I mean, holding the ball.
10 seconds shot clock.
Whoa.
Foul.
Altida is foul.
Foul by jersey number
3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 85-77 for the fourth and final quarter of this game.
substitution. Engito for Altida.
And of course, salamat sa atong mga live viewers. 8.5K live viewers mga igala. Salamat sa inyong pagpadayon nga pagtanaw. And our Philippine Standard Time is 11:19 in the
Grabe.
evening already.
Duka-duka na gyud, Brother
Duka-duka na.
Adrian.
Shout out po ta ni Paula, Brother Mon, nasa ang kilid.
Paula of PYDO.
Ooh, what was that?
Turnover by Talibon.
Turnover from Talibon. 3 minutes and 27 seconds, 85-77. Inbound to Mr. Pagshot number 1.
This is another chance for Tagbilaran to build on the lead.
Yes.
Dagdagan pag yun nila ang ilang labaw para daog na gyud.
Number 28, pass to Mr. Balabag.
Balabag.
Balabag attempt, not good. Nice defense from Mr. Bono. What was that? It's a
That's
foul.
Foul on jersey number 24, Malaba.
Ay,
Third personal
para na
foul
ko,
on
Brother Mon,
Malaba.
kani si Mr. Bono, murag 40 plus.
Oh, I think mga yan
Ana, 40 plus, no?
Veteran player.
Pero kaya ba kayo mo duwa?
Kaya pa kayo, Brother Adrian. Musabay rin sa mga bata.
Yes. 3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining, 85-77 in favor of Tagbilaran City, mga higala. And of course, itong mga opisyalis tanan diri gikan sa provincial government na tanan. First row, Mr. Bono, not good. Tagbilaran is penalty situation na, Brother Mon.
Oh, 3 minutes left. Ang Talibon, 2 team fouls pa, Brother Adrian.
Yes. Second throw. Yes, connect.
Hibangs irin. Kanina, murag na short man. Karon gibordering niya. Aron sure good ball.
Kana,
Sure
sure
ball
na.
good. Sure ball
Balabag
good,
dribbling the
Brother
ball, Mr. Balabag.
7-point lead for
Balabag to
Tagbilaran.
Mr. number 17.
15 seconds shot clock.
17.
This
Murag
is na-
ilang gigamit ang time, Brother Mon.
Gihina-hina yung gitar mahorot.
Yes. Number
Switch.
28. 28 on the drive.
Goes by.
28. Nice
Kicks
defense
it
from
out.
Talibon. Eronico on the run. Eronico, nice pass to Eronico. Attempt, connect, Candanon. Nice teamwork.
What a two-man play there by Torion and Eronico, Brother Adrian.
85-80 itong score, Brother Mon.
5-point lead na lang.
Number 17. 17 to number 16. 16 to number 17. 17 to Balabag.
Balabag spin.
Turn around.
Balabag.
Balabag attempt.
What
Connect.
a move! Grabe!
Mr. Balabag.
Star player, Brother Adrian. Di mabangbang.
Puno. Nice ball rotation. There's a foul there from number 17.
And a penalty situation again. Free throw for Talibon, Brother Adrian.
2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for the final and fourth quarter of this game, mga higala. This game is brought to you by the provincial government of Bohol. Apit na po, malubat ang tingog, Brother Mon.
Okay pa. Nag-blink-blink na mo, Brother Adrian.
Kompleto pa ang battery, gikan pa SM Manila. Shout out po ta sa itong cameraman dire og mga highlights. Si Mr. Darwin Gadjane.
Boss Darwin.
Katugo na, Brother Mon, katugo na.
Togo na, alas 11 na. Apit na alas 12.
82-87, mga higala.
5-point lead. Going into the last 2 minutes of our ball game.
Pag-shot, guarded by Mr. Evangelista. Pag-shot, dribbling the ball, guarded by Mr. Torion to number
Sayang
17.
yung time.
2 minutes remaining.
5 seconds shot clock.
Aliyo play. Ingito. Wala.
Not good. Rebound from Torion.
Torion, counter-attack for
Torion
Talibon.
looking for his teammates. Torion, nice pass to Orinoco.
Wow!
Goal!
Eronico.
84-87
I think
in
Eronico
favor of
is hurt.
Tagbilaran.
Wakabalik si Eronico, brother. Wakabalik si Eronico, brother.
Gikapoy na.
And that's a
Foul from Mr. Bono.
Blocking foul.
Committed by jersey number 4.
3-point lead Tagbilaran City,
What happened to
87-84.
Third personal foul, Puno. 3 team fouls, Talibon.
Murag gikapoy na, Brother Mon.
Grabe.
Substitution. Pondok for Engito.
This is also
1
a
minute and 42 seconds.
sub for Ingito. Pundok, murag pasinta, murag ba pagsud pud niya.
Yes, mao pa na
Kapoy
pagsud.
pud kaayo.
1 minute and 32 seconds remaining, 87-84, mga higala.
3-point
Pag-shot,
lead na lang. Let's see if Tagbilaran builds another lead.
pag-shot, dribbling the ball, Mr. Pag-shot.
Goes by.
Pag-shot, nice
Kicks
pass sa
it out.
gilid.
Bugahon.
For 3, not
Wala.
good.
Sayang.
Evangelista to Mr. Bono, number 4. Back to Mr. Evangelista.
The star player of
10
Talibon
seconds shot clock.
with the ball in his hands.
Evangelista. Nice pass to 9.
What a
Wow!
cut! What a cut!
Gilbert Torion.
Nice pass from Mr. Torion.
Grabe! What was that?
Timeout, Tagbilaran.
Time out from Tagbilaran.
Our official score, 87.
1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. 87-86 mga higala.
Mental lapse on the part of Tagbilaran. Ni Kalit Ragsulpot si Torion dito ni Kat. Si kinagamian nakalusot pagit siya and then to 2 points.
And luag ang depensa sa Tagbilaran, Brother Bon.
Mental lapse yun, brother.
Mo na giingon nga, di ta magpalipat-lipat kay malipat ta, gansi ta.
Now, only a 1 point lead na lang yun for Tagbilaran City.
Yes. And of course, mga higala, thrilling pa kayo kung kinsay pwede mo daog, kinsa ang kuan, ang tawag ni Brother Bon.
Back to the ball game with
Kinsay di makatulog karong gabi kay mapilde.
And then, one thing po, no, Brother Adrian, ang game to ani sa Talipon duwaon. So, ganahan gid mo daog ang Tagbilaran ni kay kung mapildi sila ni delikado. Home for sa Talipon next game.
Tinod. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining for the final quarter of this game. Mga higala. This game is brought to you by the Provincial Government of Bohol.
Very, very crucial possession for
Number
Tagbilaran.
28.
Let's see if they score.
Is it dribbling
10
from
seconds.
Tagbilaran?
Pandan, screen from Pondok.
Number 16.
Pandan,
16 turn around.
Pandan.
Nice. Wide! Pumasok Mr. Pandan.
What a tough shot by Eric Pandan.
45 seconds remaining. 89-86. Mga higala. Torion dribbling the ball.
Clutch time. Who will step up
Torion to
for Talipon?
Evangelista.
Clutch time for Talipon here.
Evangelista on the drive. Nice shot from Evangelista.
What a reverse layup.
32 seconds remaining. 88-89.
No need to foul here if you're Talipon. Napay 7 seconds remaining.
Yes.
25 seconds.
So kung mahurot
Oh my
yung
God,
shot clock,
crucial shot.
Napay 7 seconds.
20
Try na
seconds
shot.
remaining.
10 seconds. shot
1 point lead na lang mga kaibigan. Steal!
Oh,
Foul!
What was that?
Wala.
oh my God.
And then na-injury si Perong.
Huh? 11 seconds remaining. 88-89 in
This is
favor of
Evangelista.
Tagbilaran. Evangelista on the run. Evangelista. Evangelista. Oh my God. Attempt. Wow!
Hela! Hela! With the biggest
Pumasok
shot.
yun.
Mark Vincent Hilo.
Oh my goodness!
Tagbilaran.
89-90.
Takes the lead!
89-90 in favor of
Wow.
Talipon.
4 seconds.
4.7
Wow.
seconds remaining mga higala.
Grabe! Di ko katuwa to, Brother Adrian.
4.7 seconds remaining.
What a game!
Kinahanglan makasyat ang Tagbilaran. Yaw dili.
Tilde sila.
Pilde sila.
And then going into game 2, home court sa Talipon. Patay yun. Wow!
A very crucial game from Hela.
What a shot by Hela
Grabe.
there. Nice trap by Kuanpod, Evangelista.
No more timeouts. Both team with 4 seconds remaining.
Grabe.
Brother Adrian, this
Ang-
is the final possession of the game.
Atong crowd nag-standing position na tanan. 4.7 seconds remaining.
Simply wow.
Mga higala.
4 seconds remaining. 1 point lead Talipon. Tagbilaran Sport.
Unsa kahay buhaton sa
Final
Tagbilaran.
Here we go, Brother Adrian. Mubarog na
Here
po ta, brother.
we
Mubarog
go.
na, brother.
Mabarog na ta. 4.7
Possession
seconds
for the win,
remaining.
Banis Tagbilaran.
For the win. For
Is this for the
Tagbilaran.
win?
Balabag versus
Gets it.
Puno.
For the
Balabag
win.
attempt. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Talibon!
Winner Talibon!
Wins!
Grabe!
What a game!